What's going on, guys? Welcome back, family. Jesse Summers here. Thanks so much for watching, and I am here to provide you with another helpful real estate tip. Now, here's the thing we're going to talk about today: the best home loan for first-time home buyers if you live in North Carolina. Okay, I work in North Carolina, specifically in the Triangle area, and every day I am working with first-time home buyers, and I have found out that this is the best home loan for first-time home buyers, especially if you don't have a ton of money saved up for a down payment. Okay, so listen up. Here we go, guys. Number one, the best home loan program for first-time home buyers is through State Employees Credit Union. Okay, so if you don't have an account with them but can get one, I suggest doing so ASAP. If you are a first-time home buyer, then State Employees is going to provide the best first-time home buyer program, and here is why. Reason number one, they don't require any down payment. Okay, you don't have to have any money saved up for a down payment. Now, this does not mean that you don't have to pay any money throughout the transaction. If you go back, watch my videos on the transaction timeline and the money you want to have on hand, the 5 checks you're going to write for a transaction, be sure to check those out. But this means that you aren't putting any money down on the loan. It means that the bank is going to give you 100% of the money that you need, okay, for the home loan. Number two, the second reason is that they are going to provide $2,000 towards your closing costs. $2,000. If you've seen my video on the money you want to have on hand for a transaction, then you know that closing costs are a big deal and a good chunk of what you need to have on hand. So the fact that State Employees is providing $2,000 towards that is huge, okay? And then finally, State Employees does not require PMI, or what is called private mortgage insurance. Well, number one, what does that even mean? What is private mortgage insurance? Well, really it is insurance for the lender in the case that you ever stop paying your mortgage and foreclose on the home, okay? Typically loans that are, that have the buyer putting down less than 20% are seen as riskier to lenders, and oftentimes they require that private mortgage insurance until you own at least 20% of the home, okay? Until you've paid off 20% of that loan. In this case, State Employees does not require that. And how big of a deal is that? Well, oftentimes PMI can total to 0.5% to a full 1%. And let's take the example of a $200,000 home. Let's say you're looking at a full 1% for that, then that's $2,000 a year and roughly 166, again, went to public school, but I think that's right, $166 per month on your mortgage payment. So the fact that you're not having to pay PMI through State Employees means that you are saving quite a bit of money per month, and that is great news. So here's what I will say, guys. If you have a credit union that is not State Employees, still check out their program. I have done deals with credit unions that have similar programs with slight differences. But if you've got questions, feel free to reach out to me specifically or drop your questions down in the comments below. I will be sure to address them and answer them either by reaching out to you directly or making a whole nother video. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Remember, if you've got State Employees already, then you are ahead of the game. But if you don't, but are able to get access to it, be sure to do so sooner than later, and especially before you buy your first home. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit the subscribe button or follow me wherever you are watching. And until next time, have a wonderful day.